Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will learn a simple and easy trick to write the conjugate acid and base. We give the acids and we have to write their conjugate bases. So how can we write their conjugate base? The simple trick is that when we given in the question paper some acids, then we write their conjugate base as by subtracting one hydrogen from the acids, and this acid will change into their conjugate base. For example, this is the hydronium ion, and when we subtract one hydrogen from the hydronium ion, it will change into water. So the water is the conjugate base of the hydronium ion. Similarly, we have HS minus 1, and its conjugate base is, we can obtain its conjugate base by simply subtract one hydrogen. So S minus 2 is the conjugate base of the HS minus 1. Similarly, the conjugate base of HSO4 minus 1, we subtract one hydrogen from HSO4 minus 1, we get its conjugate base, that is SO4 minus 2. And if we have an acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, and its conjugate base is acetate and CH3COO minus by subtracting one hydrogen. So here we can note it an important thing, that when we convert an acids to their conjugate base, their minus charge or their negative charge will increases, that is minus 1 to minus 2, minus 1 to minus 2, or 0 to minus 1. So by this way we can write the conjugate base of an acid. Similarly, if we have a base, and we have to write their conjugate acids, simply by adding one hydrogen to the base, we will get their conjugate acid. For example, when we add one hydrogen to OH group, OH minus 1, it will change into water. Similarly, when we add one hydrogen in the bicarbonate ions, it will change into carbonic acid H2CO3. That is the H2CO3 is the conjugate acid of carbonic acid HCO3 minus 1. Similarly, here when HPO4 minus 2, and when we add one hydrogen in this, it will change into HPO4 minus 1. And when we add one hydrogen to carbonate, it will change into bicarbonate ion, that is HCO3 minus 1. Here one thing is to be noted, that when we write a conjugate acid of a base, we add hydrogen ion in the base, and in this way the negative sign will decrease, that is minus 1 to 0 state, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 2 to minus 1. So by this way we can write the conjugate base of an acid or a conjugate acid for a base. The key is that for acid to conjugate base, we subtract one hydrogen. And for base to conjugate acid, we add one hydrogen, and here the negative charge will increase, and here the negative charge will decrease. That's for all the learner. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows so we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.